Good day, guys. My name is Daniel, and this is Next Tech. So, our last lesson, I've explained hosting and domain. Then I said when you purchase a hosting package, you get a cPanel. So, I said I use Hostinger, but Hostinger doesn't have a cPanel. But 90% of most of these hosting companies, they use cPanel. They give their customer cPanel to manage their hosting plan. So, a cPanel just means a control panel. So yeah, I'm inside my Truehost account. This is for a client because like I said, I don't use Nigeria hosting. So, but just to explain cPanel, because this thing doesn't have cPanel, it's called hPanel here, which you manage everything from your dashboard, from your uh account. But here, this is a Truehost account for a client I worked for. So let's just see. So you come here to under your services under your Truehost account or whichever account you are using. So let me click on web hosting. Like I want to manage this. So you can see I can also do some things here, which is part of the things I can do in cPanel, like orders, responders, all this. So everything here is in cPanel. But let's just go into the cPanel directly. Log into cPanel. You can also access your cPanel through maybe your website name like uh www.something.com/cpanel. You can also access the cPanel like that, and you can log in directly through your uh, hosting account. So you can see this is the cPanel, this is cPanel interface. So you can see. So we have many CMS here, as you can see, but we are using WordPress. And we are not installing WordPress from here. Or we can still come here. Don't worry, let me just explain cPanel first. So this is your email account. If you want to create a professional business email, you come here. So you can see I've created some email for them like info at Westgate, legal at Westgate, careers, Westfield. So you just come here to create, then you put the name maybe uh, um, great. So you just put the name you want to use. Is there already at westfieldmanager.com? Then you put your password and click on create. That's all about this. It's very simple as that. Okay, let's leave it to another thing. Um, so you can just come into the cPanel and explore. You can do many things here. You can forward this email you created. You can use the folder to forward it. Maybe I created westgate.com or whatever email I created there. I can just come here. So I choose Westgate email. Okay, I'll just click on add forwarder. Then which email I want to forward? Maybe the career dot so whatever.com. I will I will choose that and then forward to maybe another email. Maybe my Gmail. This one is a web mail. Call it web mail. So I can just forward it to my Gmail. So whenever anyone sends a message this web mail maybe from my website, it will deliver to my Gmail on my phone. So that's just it about forwarding. Then you can also create an autoresponder. Autoresponder. This is it. Maybe whenever anyone drop an email for this to this account, any of the accounts, it will just like this auto WhatsApp message that we have received your email. Thank you. A representative will reach out to you shortly. So something like that. So that's just the work of autoresponder. So your file manager is where you manage your files, everything on your website. Yeah, you are just come here to manage everything on your website. But we don't need to come here. we don't need to come here. We just install everything directly from our website. But in case there are some times that we want to install some things on our website, it won't work. We have to come there and open the folder and upload it. Don't worry about that for now. You will not uh you will not need this for now. So let's just focus on uh installing our website. So you just come there and explore, explore. Here's WordPress, SSL. So don't worry about this. Activating SSL. Most of the website they activate SSL automatically themselves. Like this one now is activated automatically. You can see from here, you see that SSL is active on the site. So they activate it themselves automatically. It comes with the uh hosting plan, like I've explained in the previous lesson. So if you want to install WordPress, you just come to WordPress Manager by Software or you just search for Software. You can also see it here. You can also see it here, WordPress by Software. So you click on it or you come here anyhow you want it, just come here. Then you come to install. Install. So I've installed one already. I've installed one WordPress already. So let's just come here to install. Like we want to install a new site. So make sure you come to this drop down here. You can see this HTTP. That means you are installing it without SSL. Don't do that. Don't use this. Don't use this. Just use where you can use it if you want. If you want www to be there. But I always recommend just use HTTPS. Make sure it's HTTPS. Then you choose a domain and give your site a name, maybe whatever name you want to give it. All this one is optional. It's optional. The main thing is just give it a what was it called? A username and a password. You can change all these inside settings and I'll show you how to do that. Just give it a username and a password which you use to access it. Then click on install. I don't want to install this because there's a website on it already, so I don't want to overwrite that because it will overwrite the website on it before. So these are just plugins that they recommend. You can uncheck it or else if you install it with them like this, it will automatically install on your site. Don't worry, I will explain everything about plugins and things too. So just install. Then when you install, okay, let me go back to the manager, which one I've installed. So when you install, you can see your site like this. You can see it like this. Then you can log in from there as an admin or you use your domain slash wp dash admin. Can you understand? I said if you want to access your cPanel, use maybe let's use Westfield slash this is it. This for what is it called? To access your WordPress dashboard. This to access the cPanel. Or it will ask for password. This one to also ask for the password and username created. This one will also ask for the password and username created. So um it's okay to just log in directly from the from your dashboard. So you won't end up putting any password. You just log in as an admin. Okay, so these are WordPress interface. These are WordPress interface. This is how it looks. This is it. So you can see. Okay, let me just quickly explain. Okay, I think okay, this is a built website. I'll just quickly install a fresh WordPress on my own hosting guy and use that to explain WordPress for you. So let me quickly do that. Okay. I think I should just show you how it works on Hostinger too instead of doing it uh, by myself. So this is it. Just from your Hostinger account, you just come to website. This is your hosting. You choose. You have an hosting plan, maybe startup, business plan, or cloud storage. I'm using cloud because I have many sites hosted here, like over 20 websites. So just come to add websites. Choose which one you want to use. I'll choose WordPress. So choose country. Choose okay. Let me use that. Choose username, which is your email. Then this okay. Let me just leave it like that. Let me change it because I've viewed that one. Let me change it. Okay. Um, let's go. So okay, create a blank. This one, you have to choose themes, which one, whatever you want to use. But don't choose it. Just create a blank site. So the reason why I like hosting is that you can just create a website anyhow with what's it called temporary domain. Temporary domain. Even if you don't have a domain, name, you can just create a website. Then when you purchase the domain, you can link it to it. So which is good for training or for portfolio building. You don't need to purchasing different domains to build a portfolio. So I just use a temporary domain. They just give me one domain to use. So as far as they're installing the WordPress for me. Okay, so completed. Let's go. So this is it. This is a fresh. Don't worry, you might not see this in your own. This is just Hostinger thing. Hostinger doing their thing. If you start from there, when you use the normal hosting, which is from dashboard. So this is just the normal WordPress dashboard. So let me walk you through. I don't like all this showing all these things that are showing here. So I'll just close everything. I'll come here, hide everything. Okay. So our dashboard is clear now. If in case there's any updates, maybe new WordPress version is up, or you need to update your plugins or themes, you will see it here. Already you would have seen maybe a notification here, like a red notification which will notify you that there's an update available. So post. All this one we are taking here. This one is for posting, like your blog post posting. So this is where you manage your media library. This is where you manage your media like photos, video, and whatever. Pages. So this is where you create your website pages. This is where we create website pages. We are still coming there. And appearance. Yeah, this is where you install your themes. Under appearance, you come to themes. So we have 2025 WordPress theme here. 24. So you can just come here to add new theme. If you have your own theme, you can upload, or you can just come here to install one good theme. So I'll go with Astra, which is kind of lightweight and SEO friendly. So let me install. You can just come here, explore. You can see there are many things here. Explore. Don't worry, I'll also show you how to get a team for your project in case you want to do maybe logistics, whatever. How do you know which team is better for you? I'll show you that too. This is just the second lesson in our WordPress masterclass. So we are still going to do a lot. Um, so I've installed the team and activated it so you can see it here Astra. So you can manage it from there. We are coming back there. These plugins. Okay. I don't know if you understand what theme is. Themes Themes how will I explain this? Is like a template where you build your website on. Okay, let me quickly show you this. You know, I said we have installed a theme. Let me come back, please. Let me come back so I can just explain everything together. So these plugins. So plugins to okay, let me quickly explain this plugin. What is the meaning of plugins? Plugins is we are using a no-code CMS, a no-code website builder. So plugin is the already written code, or how will I put it? Is a code zipped or compressed. So in case I want to achieve any feature, I'll just come to that plugin. You can upload plugins you have. You can even tell ChatGPT to create. If you can code it yourself, zip it up and upload it as a plugin, or you can tell ChatGPT to create a plugin for a feature for you. But let me just quickly use this. So maybe I want which feature do I want? Let me just look at the popular ones here and explain. So this is Elementor. This is one we'll be using to design our website. We are still coming there. This is for SEO. Okay, maybe I want to create a contact form. Maybe I want to create a contact form. So it's a no-code thing. So we just come here and install a contact plugin, a contact plugin. So there are many contact plugins. This one contact from 7. I don't like this. It's not regular. It's not beginner friendly. If you need to understand little, although I can use it, but I won't use this. I won't use it in this training because you need to understand little HTML to use this. So WP Forms is also okay. This one is good. Let's just install this. So it's just a compressed or zipped code. So maybe I want a feature for contact. I'll just install the code, which is the plugin. That okay. Let me use this for it. Maybe I want whatever feature. We are still coming to install more plugins. We are still coming. So that's just the meaning of plugin. Users, these are the users on your website. The people that manage the website. Maybe their role. This is their role, your administrator. So I'm the only user here. So you can there's subscriber which are the users. When you start getting users on the website, maybe it's an e-commerce website or a website where people sign up. So we are still coming there. Tools. Okay, but I'm not sure you need anything there. Let's just skip it. So settings, yeah, two things here. First of all, anytime you just install a new website, although hosting guys usually update this automatically, they will update this one. But make sure if you are using any kind of maybe local hosting, make sure you come here first of all and update your permalinks to post name. Post name. Uh, most hosts usually leave it in plain, which can affect the site SEO. So you can see the post name now. This is sitename.com sample post. If I create maybe a about us page or whatever page, it will be the one there. Just like when you visit any kind of website, you can see that it's their name after whatever. It's the page name you are visiting. Let me use this for example. So I visited this website now. Then I visit the about page. So you can see slash about us because I'm on the about us page. If I visit contact page, use slash contact page, which helps the SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. If you have been hearing me saying SEO, 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 SEO means search engine optimization, which is how the search engine optimize or crawl your site, read your site, understand the site, how the search engine like Google, Bing, Baidu, there are many search engines. So how they understand your site. Okay, this one is for this one is for this is the site contact page. So how they understand your site to present it to maybe visitors or people that are searching for similar content on your site. Because the search engine will crawl it to know to know which content is available on your site. Don't worry, we still talk about SEO at the end of the course when we build a website. Uh, we talk about SEO, how to optimize our website. Okay, where is it? Okay, so if your permalink is in, you can see this that it doesn't make sense. 1, 2, 3 doesn't have any meaning. This one too is too long. Putting date before the sample post is doesn't make sense. Archive doesn't make sense. So the best is just to your domain name slash the page you are visiting. That's it. Then the next thing is reading. Okay, am I is that okay? Yeah, that's right. So the next thing is reading. Reading. You can see the search engine visibility. Discourage search engines from indexing these sites. I don't even know why this thing is there. Well, maybe in case some people want to create a private website, maybe just like as a diary to keep something. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. But this, when you check this, search engine would be able to see your site, which is SEO. They won't be able to crawl your site. So your site won't be live. It's only the person with the link that can access it. If they go to maybe Google now and search for the best like this, I think the best property maintenance in Lagos or wherever, it won't recommend the site because you have discouraged SEO from indexing it. So for each post in the feed, so and this, if you want to set your page, you can see these sites we are using. For example, here, I want to show you something here. So you can see that their homepage is just uh, their domain name. There is no slash home there, just like other pages. It's because I've set this page as the home page. So that's why whenever I want to visit this, it's only to put slash whatever anything there. And let's go into it. Let's see. So this is it here too. You just come to accept. Oh, is it this? Wait. Yeah. Why is it not showing it? Let me check it. Reading. Yeah, this is it. Okay. I think I made a mistake there. Why is this one showing? Why is the reading showing differently? Okay, maybe because I've not created any pages or I've installed. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, I've not installed some things there. Yeah, we are still going to install some things here. So you can just see it here under your settings, reading. So from latest post, a latest post is just when I visit the website, it will show your latest blog post. You can see this is a blog post here, a demo blog post. So, and we are not creating a blog here. So you can just set it to static. Then you choose the home page, which is the home. You choose the home page from all the pages. Then you choose the blog page from all your blog uh thing there. So this is just it. So when we I think install some things on our website, it will be available here too. It will be available here too. So I think that's all. This is also a plugin to optimize your website to catch your website. I don't know if you understand what I mean by catch. So uh let me just use this. Then I will explain better. Okay. Cache is temporary storage that saves copies of data like web pages, images, so they load faster next time you visit them. Yeah. So to catch your website, it's just like it will when you load a site, it might load slowly for the first time, but there's a cache plugin, maybe whatever cache on that site or on your browser that will save some things on that site into your browser, be the like the first page, the home page or whatever. So whenever you want to do it again, it will quickly show you like load it fast. And again, this website is just to optimize this plugin is to optimize. It will beat down some storage like some big files, it will reduce their space. It's also part of SEO. We'll talk about it at the end after building the website. It's part of SEO, which is search optimization. So you can see the optimization here, page optimization and all that. So we are still coming there. So this one is just automatically installed from Hostinger. when you install from any other hosting, maybe like all this local hosting, I'm not sure you have to install it manually yourself by coming to add plugins and search for light speed cache. But it's installed already. So let's just install our website builder, which is Elementor. So this is where you come to install whatever you want to install. Elementor. So it's a popular plugin. It's a drag and drop builder. Or what is it called? Drag and drop builder for WordPress. So you can see it's under the popular tab. So this is the last picture is under there. So they are very popular. So let's just install this and activate. And activate. So here is activated. So let's go create a page. Yeah, let's create it. Let's trash this one first. I will trash this and create a page. So this is how to create a page. So you just come here and use, let's call it home, or let's call it demo. Okay, demo. Then you change the template. Although this one is optional, but I always recommend it. Just change the template to element of wood, then publish. You can add more pages, but just our page is empty. Let's do it so you can see it's empty. So this is where we are going to do all the magic, and we are using Elementor to create the magic. Elementor is our magic stick. So okay, I said I'm going back to explain theme. So themes is just a template to work on. Like I said here, this one is this is where we create the magic. But with our theme, we can just install some maybe some home page, some templates, like some sample. Let me just quickly show you. So you can come to they have a plugin called Spectra. So Spectra. So under that Spectra, they have all this template there, which is all the starter websites. So you can see many home page here. You can just install it and start building on it, start customizing. So they will install the plugin activated. Okay. So some are free and some are paid. So you can see we have many plugins. So you just look for anyone that's related to what you want to do. Maybe let's say electrician. Okay, you can see this is an electrician website. So then you just work on it. Don't worry, in case I know you might be asking, what if the design you want is not there? I also teach you how to build from scratch with the page we created, but this is just to get fast. So we are going to edit a template and we're also going to build from scratch. So you can see that like I think this one is premium, which is paid, and this ones are free. So we are going to install one to uh, get you started. Then when you are familiar with it, then we start building from scratch. But that will be in our next lesson. I think that's all for uh, now, which is overview of WordPress. I think now you can now navigate WordPress site. You can install it in yourself, plugins, and set your permalinks, and that's all. So in the next lesson, we start building our websites from scratch or by editing templates. All right, thank you and have a nice day. If you don't understand anything, let me know. Ask questions in the group. I will answer you, and others can also answer you in the group divided in the community. Have a nice day.